Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to verify your Instagram business account. So as you can see, this is the official app of Instagram, and also make sure that you are logged in with your account. So the first thing is just click on these three lines on the upper right corner and scroll down and make sure that your account is set to professional mode. And if not, just go to account type and tools, and from here click on switch to personal account, click on next, switch to professional account, and from here it will take a few seconds, so let it load and complete. And after that, just make sure like you choose a creator or business account. So let's say I have a business, so choose business, click on next, and it will take a few seconds, so wait for it. And from here, like, you can add the email address, business address, and like the phone number and etc. So you can add the all the contact info, and once you do that, after that you also make sure that you complete those steps. And as you can see, this is the like get meta verified option. And let's say you are not able to see this option here, so what you can do is just go back to the three dots, and after that just scroll down a little bit and you will be able to see like this meta verified. So just click on this meta verified and just click on join the waitlist. So if your Instagram is strong, like has followers and enough like likes and comments and is viral, so click on join the waitlist, and they will like you are now on the waiting list. So you will be able to like meta verify, like verify your account with the money after 24 to 48 hours when Instagram review your account. So make sure your account status is good, you do not violate any kind of policy, has some like and views, and after that you will be able to verify your Instagram business account. So that is a simple and easy process.